This is how to add funds from Binance Web Wallet to your AirTM. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to do Binance Web Wallet to AirTM transfer, and you'll be able to do this at a lower fee. Please note that this video is proudly sponsored by AirTM. I've partnered with AirTM, and you can easily sign up to AirTM. When you use my link, AirTM will give you a gift of $3. Don't forget, you have to meet the conditions before you get that reward. You see, as soon as your money gets to AirTM, you can move your money to over 500 payment gateways. Like, you can easily transfer your money to your bank account, PayPal, Skrill, Payer, any wallet of your choice, and you can even transfer easily to any crypto exchange. And that is not all. As you are using this platform, AirTM will always reward you. This is why you need to watch this video to the end. You will see how I make money every time with AirTM as I use the platform. So how do you transfer and fund AirTM using Binance Web Wallet? Let me show you. You can see this is my AirTM account. If you tap here, I will soon be funding this my AirTM wallet with Binance WEB3 Wallet. And you can see this is my Binance Exchange app. The same Binance Exchange app will allow you to access your Binance WEB3 wallet. To know what I have on Binance Web3 Wallet, you tap Wallet. Look at it, Binance Web Wallet. This is my balance on my Binance Web Wallet. You see, when you want to do transfer from one crypto wallet or from one exchange to another exchange, you have to go to the destination platform to know the network that can accommodate your transfer. So for this video now, we have to go back to AirTM to know those network we can use that is cheap to transfer the money and fund AirTM from Binance Web3 Wallet. So I'm back to AirTM. The method we're going to use this time is a new features on AirTM. We'll be funding my wallet through stablecoin. I will tap it. You can see transfer stablecoins. We'll be using USDC. So we tap USDC stablecoin. Look at it. Select blockchain. These are different networks that we can use for USDC transfer from Binance Web3 Wallet. But I've identified the best one I can use, and that is Optimism Network, which is layer 2 network on Ethereum network. So I will tap this one so that I'll be able to see why I'm using it. Let's assume we are sending $5.05. It is direct transfer. That is to say that when you send from Binance Web3 Wallet, you will get your money on AirTM without any peer involved. Since we've identified we are using Optimism Network, I will tap continue. So we will tap view wallet address. You can see this is the wallet address. You can also scan this QR code. So we will go back to Binance Web3 Wallet to use this address. We're on Binance Web3 Wallet. I only have BNB. Don't forget, we want to use Optimism Network. And if you look at this small circle, that is to tell you that this is BNB, that is Binance Smart Chain Network. We have to convert this fund to Optimism Network, and we have to use USDC. To do that, we will come to this place. You tap trade. You can see that this is swap. We will use bridge. You tap bridge. Don't forget that my funds is on BNB and on Binance Chain Network. So you select BNB. You select that. Look at it. We are bridging. The meaning of bridging is that we will be able to interact between one network to another network. Look at this. This is BNB on Binance Chain Network, and this one is USDT on Solana. We are going to search for the native token of Optimism Network, which is layer 2 of Ethereum. So we look for Ethereum on Optimism. Now look at it. These are networks. This is symbol of Optimism. If you tap this symbol, look at it. It will bring all the tokens under Optimism out. You can search for the tokens. This is what we are going to use, Ethereum. Because it is the native token of Optimism Network, we select Ethereum. Now, we decide how much we are going to send. Let's say this is the amount. I will swap this now to this. We are doing cross-chain network. You see, they are not the same network, but we are bridging. This is the amount I'm transferring in dollars. They are almost the same because the fee is always low. So you tap cross-chain swap. You confirm the transaction. confirm. I just approved it with my authentication. It is submitted. You can see the money is now on Ethereum and the BNB has been reduced to $5.06. Why do we move money here? We want to transfer USDC on Optimism network, but the native token of Optimism is Ethereum. So we did this to make provision for charges, and you see how cheap it is. The next thing you want to do is to swap this Ethereum to USDC so that we can send the USDC to AirTM. So we now tap on the Ethereum now. You tap on Ethereum. Don't forget the token that we must transfer is USDC. So we tap on swap. What we want to transfer is USDC. So you tap here to pick USDC. Don't forget, look at all this red dot. It indicates Optimism network. We choose USDC token on Optimism network. The total amount we have that we breach from BNB is $6 plus. Now we will not send all these $6 so as to make provision for charges, which is going to be on Ethereum, which is the native token. So we will swap this amount to USDC because we want to transfer USDC to AirTM. So you tap swap, you tap confirm. I will authenticate it. It has been swapped successfully. You come back to asset, you tap asset. We now have the funds on USDC. So the next thing to do is to finally transfer these funds to AirTM. Since this is the money now on USDC, since we've made provision for Optimism fee of this amount, so you tap send. You select send to wallet address. Look at it. This is the Optimism USDC that we've swapped to. So we select USDC on Optimism network. Don't forget that we copied USDC address. Let me show you. We are back to AirTM. You have to tap continue to pick this wallet address. So you copy it. We copy it. So we are back on Binance WEB3 Wallet. So we tap this place and we tap here to paste the wallet address that we just copied. Ensure you copy the correct wallet. You come down to tap continue. You can decide to send any amount, but let's send 5.78. All you need to do is to tap continue. You just tap confirmed. I will authenticate. It has been submitted. Look at it. Sending 5.78 USDC. You can see coming back to AirTM, the money is already here. It's exactly $5.78. Coming back to Binance, you know this my exchange. To go to my Binance Web3 wallet, you tap wallet. You can see this is the balance I now have. If you remember, the total balance of my Binance Web3 wallet was $11.76 or 74 cents before the transfer. If you add this amount, $5.95 plus $5.78 that has been transferred to my AirTM, is still almost the same amount. If you tap history, look at the amount that was transferred now, sent. If you tap this amount, look at the amount that was sent. Look at the network fee. Look at how low the network fee is. This is why this method is the best to do transfer from Binance Web3 wallet to AirTM. Thank you. You can now transfer your money from your Binance Web wallet to AirTM. The good thing is that you can do this with any decentralized wallet of your choice. Just follow the same process. Don't forget, you get $3 when you use my link, but ensure you use the platform so that you can get that sign up bonus. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Another thing you need to do is this. Ensure you watch the next video. You will see how I make money every time with AirTM, and it can change your life. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.